Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is James Kaundo, and guys, today I'm working as a construction worker. It's crazy. It's my first day working as a construction worker. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, James Kaundo. Show me love, subscribe, and leave a sweet comment, guys. So yes, this is what I'm doing, guys. I'm carrying all these things. It's my first time, guys, so support me, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Alright, so look at me. Look how dirty I am. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave us a comment.